Good morning, Prim. For our lesson today is about approximating to the nearest tenth. As you know, if I want to approximate to the nearest any digit, I will cancel the previous number and replace it by 0. So here, to approximate to the nearest tenth, I will look at the hundredth digit. If the hundredth digit is less than 5, then cancel the digit in the right of the tenth place and keep the other digits as they are. Now I want to approximate 8.32 to the nearest tenth. So I will cancel all these numbers on the right of this and make a test to the hundredth place. If the hundredth place is less than 5, cancel this number and write the other digits as they are. So I will write 8.3. 512.61. The number in tenth here is 6. I look at the previous number in hundredths here is 1. 1 less than 5, so cancel 1 and write all these numbers as it. So write 512.6. If the hundredth digit is 5 or more than 5, then cancel the all digits to the right of the tenth place and add 1 to the tenth digit because I want to approximate to the nearest tenth. And also keep the other digit as they are. For example, 123.75. Approximate to the nearest tenth. The tenth digit here is 7. Look at the previous number, or the previous digit here is 5. So cancel 5 and hundreds. So I will add 2 7. So 7 become 8. So this number after approximating will be 123.8 and cancel 5. 0.989. The number in tenth is 9. Look at the previous digit and cancel all the previous digit. 8 more than 5, so can give 1 to 8 to 9. So this 9 become 10. I can't write 10 in this place, so I will put 0 and carry up 1 to this 0. So this 0 become 1. So this number after approximating will be 1.0 because I want to approximate to the nearest tenth. For example, approximate each of the following to the nearest tenth. 13.756. The tenth digit here is 7. And look at the previous number, it's 5. Cancel the previous numbers. 5 can give 1 to 7, so 7 become 8. So this number after approximating will be 13.8 and cancel the digits on the right of the tenth digit. Letter B, 0.09. The number in tenth here is 0. Look at the hundredth digit, 9. 9 more than 5, so add 1 to this 0. This 0 become 1 and cancel 9. So this number after approximating will be 0.1. 1 over 8 to the nearest tenth. 1 over 8, convert it to the decimal form. So multiply it by 125. Multiply 1 by 125. That number equal 125 over 1000. This number in the decimal in the decimal form will be 0.125. To approximate this to the nearest tenth, the tenth digit here is 1. And look at the previous numbers, cancel it. 2 less than 5, so I will write 1 as it. So this number after approximating will be 0.1. 449 and 3 over 4. Where is the tenth digit here? I haven't tenth digit here because it's a mixed number. So I will convert it to the decimal number. So multiply 4 by 25 and multiply 3 by 25. 449 and 3 over 4 after convert to the decimal will be 449.75 because 3 times 25 equals 75 and 4 times 25 equal 100. So 449 and 3 over 4 equal 449 and 75 over 100. 75 over 100 will be 0.75. Here I can approximate this number to the nearest tenth. The tenth digit here is 7. Cancel the number in the right of tenth. Cancel 5. 5 can give 1 to 7, so 7 become 8. So this number after approximating to the nearest tenth will be 449.8. Now, in this question, note the position of each of the following numbers on the number line, 0.5 up to 0.6. 0.56 approximated to the nearest what? Oh, on the number line, we note that 0.56 nearest to 0.6. And if we use the rule of approximating to the nearest tenth, the tenth digit here is 5. Look at that hundredth digit. Hundredth digit is 6. 6 more than 5, so can give 1 to this 5. 5 become 6 and cancel the number in the right of tenth. So this number after approximating will be 0.6. And we note that on the number line, 0.56 is nearest to 0.6. Letter B. On this number line, I have 134.2. To know the next number of it, I will put 0 in the next digit. So put 0 here. So the next number will be 134.21. The next will be 134.22. Yes, 134.2 what? 3. Because here 134.20 here 21 here 22 23 134.24. So the middle will be 134.25. Yes, the next 134.26, 134.27, 134.28, here 134.29, and the last one will be 134 point, the number after 29 will be 30. So this number equal 134.30 or 134.3. So 134.29, 134.29 here, we note that it's nearest to 134.3. And by using the rule, underline the tenth digit. Look at the hundreds. Hundreds here is 9. 9 more than 5. So cancel 9 and give 1 to 2. So 2 become 3. So this number after approximating to the nearest tenth will be 134.3.